Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I think we've got an excellent mail day here. I believe I know the kit that's inside of this box, and I hope I'm not wrong, otherwise I'm way too excited. And well, a Brickmania kit's still a great thing, but I'm hoping it's the one I've been waiting on. No whammy, come on, be the one I want. The paper out of the way. Yes, it is. Cool. So we have the Sikorsky Mh-60S Seahawk multi-mission Maritime helicopter. I believe Dan just came out with a video of it last week. I don't know. Officially sanctioned sit rep by Sikorsky. Anyway, this kit contains 1,360 Lego brick arms, Brickmania elements, and 6 custom minifigs. As you all know, it is a set that was designed by Daniel Siskind. There's the head-on view on the back of the box, or the front, whichever way you like it. It's going to be a really cool build. Here's the data plate. It is kit number 8026, skill level 4 out of 5. This is going to look good. Can't wait to build it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.